It's a terrific day for us to be awarded bronze. To me, it's an affirmation that the plant is engaged, that they're working in continuous improvement. They're trying to improve our process for building the Grand Cherokee and the Durango.
To me personally, it's a great achievement. You know, there's a lot of hard work going in, but it's a team effort as well. Us working together as a team, we can accomplish something.
To now see, okay, we pulled in and we did it. We engaged the people. We have people on the floor coming up to you saying, hey, what can I do to get us bronze? That was awesome.
As far as this plant, Jefferson North, you know, the leadership here, the UAW leadership, the management team here working together to achieve this, make this achievement, it wouldn't have happened without that.
I think today really marks that opportunity where, or that situation where the plant finally puts a big stamp on, hey, we got this. But it's only a milestone, right? WCM Bronze is the first award. That just says you know how to do WCM. Now go apply it everywhere in body, paint, assembly, every workstation, every machine that we have. Apply WCM and just show the world what we can do. Show the company what we can do to improve this process. We've got a phenomenal manufacturing plant that can produce anything here at Jefferson North Assembly Plant. That's huge.